Welcome to our detailed comparison of QuickBooks and Jobber, two leading business management software. Throughout this video, we'll delve into their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, performance, security, support, scalability, and ideal users. By the end, we hope to give you a clear understanding of which software might be the right fit for your business needs. Let's get started. QuickBooks offers extensive accounting features like expense tracking, invoicing, and time tracking. It also provides project management tools. On the other hand, Jobber focuses more on field service management with features like scheduling, invoicing, and customer relationship management. It's worth noting that QuickBooks has a broader feature set, but if your business is field service oriented, Jobber's specialized features might be more beneficial. QuickBooks offers a range of pricing plans starting from $25 per month, with the most expensive plan at $150 per month. Jobber, on the other hand, starts at $29 per month for the basic plan, but their highest tier plan is cheaper at $129 per month. Both offer a free trial, but Jobber's trial period is longer. The choice here depends on your budget and the specific features your business needs. QuickBooks provides a clean, easy-to-use interface with a slight learning curve due to its extensive features. Jobber, on the other hand, is praised for its intuitive design, making it easy for first-time users to navigate. Both platforms have mobile apps for on-the-go access. However, user reviews suggest that Jobber's app is more user-friendly. Integration with other tools is a major strength for both QuickBooks and Jobber. QuickBooks integrates with over 650 popular business apps, while Jobber integrates with over 20, including QuickBooks itself. If you're looking for a vast array of integrations, QuickBooks might be a better choice. But if you're looking for a tool that integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks, Jobber is the go-to. Both QuickBooks and Jobber provide reliable performance and robust security measures, including data encryption and secure user access controls. In terms of support, QuickBooks offers phone and chat support, while Jobber provides phone, email, and chat support with high customer satisfaction ratings. Both offer extensive online resources for self-help. QuickBooks is scalable and caters to businesses of all sizes, making it ideal for small to large businesses needing comprehensive accounting tools. Jobber is best suited for small to medium-sized field service businesses like landscaping or cleaning services that need to manage scheduling and customer relationships effectively. While both software have their strengths, the winner depends on your business needs. If you need comprehensive accounting and a broad range of integrations, QuickBooks is the winner. But if your business is field service oriented, needing specialized features and an intuitive user interface, Jobber comes out on top. Always prioritize what your business needs most. Thank you for watching our comparison of QuickBooks and Jobber. We hope this has given you valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this. Your support helps us continue providing these resources. Thank you.